Ever wondered what tools you need for DIY car maintenance? Well, you're not alone. Having the right tools in your arsenal could be the difference between a smooth, enjoyable maintenance routine and a frustrating, time-consuming ordeal. We're talking about tools that can help you save money, increase your car's longevity, and even give you a sense of accomplishment. From a trusty socket set to a robust car jack, we've got 10 essential tools lined up for you. So let's dive right in and explore these essential tools. Starting off our list is the socket set. This versatile tool is perfect for tightening or loosening various nuts and bolts in your car. It's a must-have for any DIY car maintenance kit. Next up, we have the screwdriver set, ideal for removing or attaching parts with screws. A good set will include various sizes and types to suit a wide range of tasks. Thirdly, we can't forget the wrench set. This is another essential tool for dealing with nuts and bolts. Again, a set usually includes different sizes to accommodate all your car maintenance needs. Moving on, we have the pliers. These are helpful for gripping, pulling, and even cutting wires or other small components. They are a real game changer when it comes to intricate work. Lastly, for the first half of our list, we have wire cutters. These are a must-have for any electrical work on your car. These are just the first 5 tools on our list. Let's continue to the next half. Now let's move on to the rest of our list. At number 6, we have jack stands. These are essential for lifting your car safely while you work underneath. They provide a sturdy, reliable base that ensures your vehicle won't budge an inch while you're getting your hands dirty. Next up is an oil filter wrench, coming in at number 7. This specialized tool makes removing and installing oil filters a breeze. It's all about having the right tool for the job, and this one is a must-have for any oil change. Number 8 is the humble funnel, perfect for cleanly adding fluids to your car, like oil or coolant. It's a simple tool, but it saves a lot of mess. At number 9, we have the tire pressure gauge. It's crucial to ensure your tires are always at the correct pressure for optimal performance and safety. Finally, rounding out our top 10 is the code reader. This handy tool can read and clear error codes from your car's computer, helping you diagnose problems quickly. And there you have it, our top 10 must-have tools for DIY car maintenance. To wrap things up, having the right tools can make a huge difference in your DIY car maintenance. From the indispensable socket set to the versatile car jack, each tool has a unique role in keeping your car in top shape. Don't forget the torque wrench for those precise adjustments, or the multimeter for electrical troubleshooting. And let's not overlook the oil filter wrench, essential for those oil changes. So now you know the top 10 tools to have in your garage. Happy DIY car maintenance to all of you.